Grigori Grabovoi concentration exercises, first day of the month. The first exercise. On the first day of each month, concentrate on the sole of the right foot. This concentration technique connects you with the pivot in the world around you. In your mind, you are standing on the earth, pressing against it with your legs and feet. The earth acts as a supporting pillar in your consciousness. Within the strategy for complete recovery, control is based upon the fact that this pivot has a dual function, i.e., that of support and creation. And since it also acts as the point of creation, you can simultaneously develop your consciousness with the help of these concentration techniques. You begin to realize that just as everything on earth, such as plants and even the tissues of your own body, grows and develops, in the same way you are able to build any external reality. Such understanding lies at the basis of this concentration technique. Thinking about these deeper aspects during the exercise, it is not an essential requirement. However, you can simply concentrate on the sole of your right foot and at the same time visualize the sought-after result in your consciousness. The principle according to which you are capable of building reality that I have just mentioned will be automatically engaged, and you will achieve the desired result in a harmonious manner, because this method of control is simultaneously responsible for creating harmonized events. You can repeat this exercise several times a day. First day of the month, exercise 2. Concentration on a 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 8, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1. And then on a 9-digit sequence. 8, 4, 5, 1, 3, 2, 4, 8, 9. Exercise number 3 for the first day of the month. During this day, you are supposed to concentrate on the world, on all objects in the world, and you should feel that every object in the world forms a part of your ego. As you begin to sense that, you will feel that a breath of wind from every object carries the hint of a solution. And after you begin to sense that every object in the world contains a part of your consciousness, you will experience the harmony which the Creator has bestowed upon us.